Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with something super cool and really special. I got my hands on this new Eufy RoboVac 30C. This is the biggest, baddest, greatest, most awesomest vacuum cleaner device that they make. And they've added some enhancements to it to make it even more cool. So I previously did a review on the 11S, and now I'm super excited to have this one. Some of the changes they made, it now has Wi-Fi and voice control. So you can control it with the Alexa enabled device as well as Google Assistant. It has super strong suction power, 1500 PA of suction, intelligent boost IQ technology. So what it'll do is whenever it's vacuuming, if it runs into something that requires some additional suction power, it'll go ahead and increase that on demand to meet the needs of what it's trying to vacuum. And then it has these really cool convenient boundary strips. So if you had a problem with the previous model, running somewhere it wasn't supposed to, you didn't want it to leave the room, you can go ahead and set up these boundary strips so it'll make sure that it has kind of a designated zone within the room you want to keep it in, so you don't have to worry about it running off. So let's go ahead and open the box. Now, I apologize in advance. I can only position my camera so well, and this vacuum box is gigantic. Alright, so we got the really cool Eufy logo box thingy here. Eufy! And let's see what we got. Alright, so we got our welcome to hands-free cleaning. It's a little instruction, open the box. So here's all the documentation. Got the quick start guide, which is important. And you got the owner's manual in case you run into any questions or you want to learn how to use it properly according to the manufacturer's specifications. So, just like the previous model, here we have our charging base. And the really cool thing about this vacuum cleaner is it will automatically go to the charging base whenever you tell it to go home. Or whenever it runs out of battery and it detects that it's getting low, it'll hub back, it'll pull up on here, and then it'll go ahead and recharge itself. Here's the power cable that goes with it. And we're getting to the good stuff. Now here is the additional air filter. You want to make sure you clean the air. My zoom really doesn't like that. This is the air filter. You need to change that out periodically. You can order more from Eufy. And these suckers are heavy. These are the boundary strips. So you go ahead and set these up, and it comes with 2 rolls of them. So you can put them wherever you need to put them within the rooms so that it won't go past them. And I'm also going to have a demonstration video to follow up with this, so fret not. I just like to do unboxing videos when I get these really cool and especially expensive items. Alright, here we go. The 30C in all of its glory. And this one, it is bigger, it is thicker than the 11S, and it has a Mo suction power. You can see right here, same easy thing. This is the vacuum trap. So all you have to do is push on that little button, and that enables you to take it out. All you do is take it out, dump it, and you're good to go. So they've got this neat little design on here this time. So instead of just being that solid black top, it has these little lines and stuff. It's got the power button, also shows the Wi-Fi enabled mode. It's got the little bumper here, so whenever it runs into things, it detects that it's hit something, so it'll adjust course. And then got the power button here on the bottom, got the vacuum spindle. Very cool stuff. Oh, and here you go. You got the little red light indicator that tells you what's wrong, and that's the light on top. 1 beep, RoboVac is stuck, and a wheel is hanging in midair. That's very specific. 2 beeps, RoboVac's bumper is stuck. 3 beeps, RoboVac's drop sensors are dirty. 4 beeps, RoboVac's power level is too low. And then if you get, that's flashing red. If you get a solid red indicator, 1 beep, wheel is stuck. 2 beeps, side brush is stuck. 3 beeps, suction fan is stuck. 4 beeps, rolling brush is stuck. So, there you have it. Now it comes with all these extra accessories in here. These are the little sweepers. Comes with 2 pairs of these. So it's got the sweepers that go on the bottom. They're very easy to mount. And they go on the front here. And what it does is, as the vacuum cleaner is vacuuming, these are spinning and it's throwing stuff towards the roller so it will suck it up into the vacuum. Ta-da! It's really neat. This comes with extra sets of those. Packaging, What do we have here? Oh, it's got some little wire organizers, so that's cool. So you can clear stuff out of the way for RoboVac. That's very important to make sure the area is clean and clear of any electrical cords. So if you got any laying around, go ahead and use these and zip them up. So that's really nice of them. Got the brush tool here so you can clean off the roller. It's got the little grabber comb so you can clean it out, and it's got the little brush, so you got that. Something in here. Some 3M tape to help out with putting down the strips. And last but not least, we have the remote. And you got the remote. The remote is actually a little bit different than last time. And it's got start, stop. You can change the directions on your own. It's like automatic, 30 second, 30 minute. Let me look at the manual here so I can tell you. I don't want to guess. I want to be specific. So, thank goodness for manuals. If I can find it. And when I do my product demonstration, I'll show you the app that's on the phone. Alright, so it's not wanting to tell me. There we go. Alright. So here we go. On the buttons, so we've got this one right here. This one is spot cleaning mode. It'll go into a little 360 and go spin around and around and around, which the last one did that. This one is for edge cleaning, so it'll hit the edge and it'll just follow the edges around in the room. It does that for 20 minutes and then returns to the charging base. And then this one right here is this little circle with the 30 is quick cleaning mode. So it'll clean and do spot cleaning for 30 minutes and then it'll return to the charging base. And then this is manual cleaning mode right here, where you hit the play and the pause and the stop button, and then you can control it with the directional buttons here to go wherever you want it to. Very nice. And then this changes the fan suction speed. Oh, and here we go. And then to get it to go to the charging base, that's what this is. It means recharge. So that's the little plug-in button. All right. Well, let's go ahead and put this back over here. And this concludes my unboxing video of the Eufy 30C RoboVac. It's super cool. I'm going to have the demonstration and the full review video coming soon, but I wanted to go ahead. One, just to let y'all know, hey, this is coming down the pipeline. Two, it gives you a first-hand look at it because I like to do an unboxing. I went through this the first time as if anyone else would the first time, so you're going to get to see all the stuff, what all comes in the packaging, what it looks like, and a little explanation of the stuff that comes in it. And then, of course, we'll have the full demonstration very soon. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully this is something you're interested in, because very soon you'll get to see it in action. I'll go over the app and the wireless controls and all that cool stuff. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.